Abstract Enterprises Security Systems recently completed a professional Ring camera installation on East 91st Street in Canarsie, Brooklyn, NY. Our expert team handled every aspect of the Ring camera setup, ensuring the customer's property is protected with the latest in smart home security. The client provided their own Ring camera equipment, and we delivered a seamless and secure security camera installation experience. Whether you're searching for Ring camera installation Canarsie, Ring camera installer near me, or the best Ring camera installer Brooklyn, Abstract Enterprises Security Systems is your trusted local choice. We specialize in Ring security system integration, install Ring camera services, and home security camera installation for both residential and commercial properties throughout Canarsie and Brooklyn. Motion detection camera installation. Ring camera support and troubleshooting. Ring installation services. If you're wondering how to install a Ring camera on East 91st Street, need a Ring camera installation guide, or want to book Ring camera installation in Brooklyn, our team provides step-by-step support and ensures your system is fully operational. We offer transparent Ring camera installation cost estimates and competitive pricing, making us the top choice for security-conscious homeowners. Stay protected with trending security camera installations and the latest Ring camera features. Whether you're searching for security camera installer Brooklyn Ring camera installer, or buy Ring camera installation, we deliver peace of mind and reliable service. Ask, who installs Ring cameras in Canarsie? Or, how do I set up my Ring camera in Brooklyn? The answer is always Abstract Enterprises Security Systems. If you're looking for summer home security camera installation, holiday security camera deals, or simply want to upgrade your property with a modern motion detection camera or video doorbell setup, we're here to help. Trust Abstract Enterprises Security Systems for your next Ring camera installation on East 91st Street, Canarsie, Brooklyn, NY. Contact us today for professional service and complete peace of mind. We offer video doorbell setup, wireless security camera solutions,